Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to control music on your Beats Studio buds. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to control their music with their Beats Studio buds. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now if we pretend that our Beats Studio buds are in our right ear and in our left ear, the way that you pause or play audio is that you actually press on the Beat logo. Okay, so you can press on either earbud to pause or play a track. If you want to skip to the next track, you would press the logo twice, and then if you want to listen to a previous track, you would press the logo 3 times. Now as far as changing volume goes, in order to change the volume with your Beats Studio buds, you have to say "Hey Siri" and then say something like "turn down the volume." Or you can drag the volume on any other iOS device that your Beats Studio buds are connected to, so such as your iWatch or even your iPhone. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and control the music with your Beats Studio buds. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.